Hello again there guys and gals. I just thought I'd just do another quick video while I'm still building the Lego Ghostbusters Ecto-1. Just a little tip that might help some of you. I know one of the bugbears for many people building Lego are the sets which have stickers. Now this one has a lot of stickers. It's got all the rust patches all over, and every one of them is a sticker. And as you can see, the sticker sheet here, there's a lot which I've stuck on. I've still got some more to stick on as well. There's the reg plates as well, plus all the little warning labels on the roof rack and the various equipment on the roof, a little warning symbol. The only things which aren't stickers are the main Ghostbusters logos on the doors, but all the little warning labels and rust etc. are stickers. Now stickers are a bit of a bugbear, as I said, for a lot of people with modern day, well not just modern day, Lego kits going back years have had stickers. But what I want to show you is just a little trick that I developed for sticking stickers on, is actually using the brick separator tool. So I've already done it because it's a bit difficult one-handed holding the camera, but I basically peel the sticker off using the brick separator tool and I stick it on the end of it, as you can see. So I've actually bent over the sticker sheet, got that under the edge of it and stuck it on. That then makes it a lot easier to line the sticker up. If I can get my camera to hold somewhere between my legs or something. Again, I'm really sorry that these videos are really amateurish. I need a proper some kind of stand tripod or something, but I'll try and show you what I'm doing. So line the sticker up with the sticker with the little tool, then hold the sticker, pull the tool away, and it also works as quite a good little tool for pushing any air bubbles out as well. Not so bad on these ones because these ones are quite small stickers, but some of them can be quite a lot bigger and can get air trap below them. And this actually works as quite a good little squeegee for squeegeeing out any air bubbles. So there you go. I know lots of people will have lots of little hints and tips on how they do it themselves, but that's one way that I've done all the stickers on this one, and I actually found it worked quite well. So if it helps somebody, brilliant. If not, well, you'll have your own way of doing things, so just stick with what you find is the easiest for you. But that's just one thing that I've found is quite a good way of doing it, because I used to do it where I'd get the sticker onto the end of my thumb and then I'd balance it on my thumb, but then you'd always risk putting fingerprints on the other side of the sticker and you'd end up with a sticker with fingerprints on and it'd just look a mess. So that's why I've tried it today for the first time, to be honest, using the brick separator tool, and it works quite well. So I'm quite happy with the end result. So that's it. So I'm nearly there. Anybody who's been watching the videos, you'll see that I'm very nearly done. I've just got these last few bits to go. It's been a long build. I've been at it all day today. I've been taking my time though. I've not been rushing. Probably could do it in about 8 hours. I've seen some other videos where people have done it in that kind of time. If you did it really quick, yeah, you could probably do it quicker than that. Maybe do it in 6 hours. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it's taken me a good probably 12 hours today so far, and I've still got this to go. But I have been having lots of breaks and I've been doing lots of videos and uploading and stuff in between. So anyway, I'll leave it at that. So next time I do a video, probably going to be tomorrow now because it's getting late. So I'm going to try and finish this tonight, or I might leave it until the morning, and then I'll do a review video of it to show you around it, show all the features and my favourite things about it. Alright guys, see you later, bye.